I got my 2016 Toyota Tundra. Just changed the oil. I'll show you how to reset the maintenance data. This is the SR model with the gear shifter here, so the cluster is a little different than your SR5 and all the higher end models. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to use the trip button right here, and you're going to set it to trip A. Okay, and then I'm going to turn the car off. Okay, I'm going to hold down the trip button, and I'm gonna turn the key forward, but I'm not gonna start the truck. Okay, that's one. Okay, I'm holding it down, and it'll tell you resetting maintenance data. And it's pretty much that simple to reset the maintenance data. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.